my name is Elaine Wei. Today, I'm drawing a simple flower doodle. I will also talk a little bit about mindful drawing. I hope you will draw along with me. I'm using an iPad Pro with Procreate and an Apple Pencil. You can use pens, markers, or pencils to draw on the paper. You may need an eraser if you want to use pencils. Let's jump into the drawing. I choose the studio pen included in Procreate to draw these. First, draw the circles in the center of the flower. Then draw radiating lines around the circle. Then draw the petals from the center lines, then gradually to the outward lines. I placed my flower doodles in various locations on the canvas. Then I draw swirly lines around these flowers. Today I'm working with two focal points, which are two main flowers on the canvas. Then I duplicate them to various sizes to make the composition more interesting. Now I'd like to share something about mindfulness. Recently, I'm listening to a podcast, The Mindful Kind by 𝗪𝗫𝗃𝗧𝗧. I really like her podcast. She talks a lot about the mindful activities that people can easily incorporate to help them feel calmer. She also mentioned engaging in something creative and then minimizing distractions will help people feel better during the tough days. That's the reason in today's video, I'm drawing flower doodles. There is no right or wrong way. Just enjoy the drawing process and let your feelings bring you to doodle freely. In 𝗪𝗫𝗃𝗧𝗧's book, The Mindful Kind, she said, mindfulness is experiencing the present moment without labels or judgment. It can be as simple as feeling a breath move in and out of your body or noticing the solid ground underneath your feet. Do you ever find yourself out of the present moment? She also wrote in her book, mindfulness itself may not be complicated or difficult, but it can still be challenging to practice. Many of us has been conditioned to worry about the future and ruminate over the past. So we regularly miss the present moment because our minds are tied up elsewhere. Isn't this so true? I believe there are so many people, including myself, who always worry about the future or think about the past and don't really live in the present. Are you one of us who are doing the same thing too? Mindful activities can help relieve stress and anxiety, and the practices to build overall well-being. There are so many uncertainties nowadays. However, we can experience some peaceful moments to draw some doodles and let your mind and the thoughts quiet down from all the bad news from the TV and this crazy and messy world. If you'd like to listen to the Mindful Kind podcast, please check the link in the description below. I highly recommend it. Oh, a big thank you to everyone who has downloaded my free 13-page Floral planner kit printables from my last video. I'm very happy that many people signed up for it, and I hope you will find this kit useful for planning your everyday life. If you haven't already downloaded this planner, you can find the free download link in the description below. Now back to the drawing. After finishing the flowers, I'm drawing some swirly lines around the flowers to enrich the whole drawing. Finally, after I finish drawing the swirly lines, I will add in some small dots to finish the look. Also, please leave me a comment to let me know what you think about working and living mindfully. In this channel, I will do easy drawing tutorials so you can get some inspiration for your planners. Please remember to like my video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like today's simple flower doodles and enjoyed the little chat time with me. I appreciate you and I'm very happy that you are with me until the end of the video. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.